Welcome aboard SeaWorld Sky Tower. For your safety, we ask that you please remain seated throughout the entire ride. Thank you and enjoy your view.
Orcas living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than those near Costa Rica. In fact, there are at least 10 types or ecotypes of killer whales. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. It camouflages the outline of their bodies in the water, making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey. And in the wild, use vocalistic. Killer whales work together to rear their young. Killer whales are highly social animals, with a well-defined social structure. An orca pod is always led by a female. Though just half the size of her male counterpart, she is in charge. It's all about attitude, not size. Because they live and work as a group, orcas need to communicate with sounds and body language. Orcas use clicks for echolocation or navigation. Whistles to socialize.
Because it's that time of the season.
Do you see it?
Slippery. Who is here today? Now it's part of that, and they can live well into their 20s now. SeaWorld, your people leave out a small part of your deep that they can very, very sharp. Alright, come over here, Clyde. We need to come up with another fun fact. Let's see here. Ooh, do you want to... And don't forget, if we all work hard to prepare for the ocean, we can ensure the survival of animals just like flies. SeaWorld!
Thank you.